Hello, hello. Good afternoon, everybody. Is everybody listening? Yes, maybe. Networking kitang problem labeling maybe a little bit problem na naman siya. I don't know for that part. Okay. Okay. So ay na nasi kayo ni lat maram si may am just hype itong hanga ko na the big prior information di I have already given to you all. Nasi sa sumay tawon this exam. Okay. So I have this exam. NDA. Okay. Ako da NDA gi paper set off. Masih this. I'm on the line. It's booklet number D. See questions in see tau gi pani. And this is the first time ako gi kano nubisin to allow tau female candidate also allowed. So see first time mo gi pani na. And then ako na ngasi tau gi pani exam se ngasi loire and adugi maramda paper kitang discussion tausiran so it will be a kanoni topic say kanoni topic ama ni lauragat koi discussion tauge all of them loina mai na kano tau ding ngam da bani na ko adu mathang mathang atum tarakini so arai the topic de koi kano tum tausi we will be discussing on that so koi na lai see yes NDA question so I mean yengo haibagi one so how the questions comes and all that. So regarding that, now let's discuss the first question. So let me write down the first question. Okay, so question number one, it says, your sine theta and cos theta. Yes. Ako na to say, first of all, ako na arrive at topic ay taragadi. What is the topic? Topic name the okay. This is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation gini ko. So let me write down the question first. So now you see yourself how the question, how the nature of the question, it's becoming or evolving over the time. The roots of the equation. Adagi yamna luba exam din natte sing naragadi and cut up to them tawani. And first of all, I wish you all the best for those who give the exam. Idum mayam pasana tawrang gani hana dikali. Ayna tawrisina hoji. Paper gi koi gi kaya tare paper gi analysis right koi gi analysis on paper kamai na kari question hangiba and how you will solve the question and all that adu kitang na sen taw so here we have this question so it's a very simple quadratic equation ni yung combine what kadagi habdu method se ani ahum lai what pa yawagi amawong se hai tare every question there are two or more than two methods adum what pa yawal lai adubu yes anyway so first question let's discuss on the first question okay kari no kan taw kadagi habdu all right. Anyway, so somebody is asking whether I'm going for live or not. For those, it's already live. It live already. Okay. Group the share the link. Say yes. I think it must be better. I share the link on the group also. So just wait for a minute. Group the share to tareko. Apeta share to raga. Yenga say tare ko. For, so that others also join. Join okay. So anyway, ma'am, the exam say how was the exam? Tell me. Okay, answers can be yes, sure. I'll be dealing with the answers very shortly. But first of all, let me let me share the link. Okay, those share link them to. Trong còn share làm cái tàu cái mày làm xem. Okay. Okay. So. Why is it not sharing on the okay video link, right? Okay, just wait for some time. Kita go group the tharo have a link like tray and hierarchy yauri. So yeah, just I'll take a little bit, 1 minute or 2 minutes something. Doing the tag, right? Yes, and group amani ani hum the tag, right? So that no ina sana khangda na ba ita ne ko. Exam provider competition exam ko akogi council exam ko kada risi kai no abu I know the khangin bagi one, nothing else. How the exam questions are different, right? Kamina exam questions are different. Why they have to do that? We need to discuss. Okay, so this link is tagged already. Yes, and one more. Okay. Right. Yes, just a little bit. Kita ngamin na isi ko maya. Mayam to yung kana join tong na trip niko. So I know deal tau tu si ano ni. Maths part kin. Okay. Okay. All right. I have already sent. Yeah. Okay. So now let's okay. Yang asi ko. So we have the first question. Happy yang try tau. Even you can try also. Yeah, good evening. Okay. Okay, GAT the current life. Yes, obviously GAT. I have already discussed Hana Mayam this high GAT general ability do the English part of Mayawni, then other atopa GS, physics, chemistry, at the Yausalati. Then GAT dum like. The problem will be on the mathematics part, right? Now the problem is the mathematics part of college. So I topic wise when I videos is okay. So first of all, we are going to discuss about this quadratic. See the high second sin theta and cos theta se quadratic equations ki root very high. So which one of the following is correct? The correct option look hello. Now, how you are going to solve the problem? Now, problem J. So asi kamay tawraga ako solve tawgata gay na high visit. Now, ako na khangmam le. So we have this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. C की roots ना करी the roots are sin theta cos theta. Now as we know sum of the roots क्या आता है? These are the roots कौन? Roots नहीं. Now this sum of the roots क्या आता है? The sum of the roots means sin theta plus cos theta. If you discuss, if we know the quadratic equation, this will be nothing but minus b by a. So this is the first equation. The second thing is what? Product of the roots. Sin theta into cos theta will be how much? C by a. So from here, from here you need to find the relation between a, b and c. Because sin theta cos theta actually we don't want sin theta and cos theta. We want only the relation between a, b and c. A ga b, a, b ga c ga b relation. So now from here, so what we are going to do? I can unknown sin theta cos theta. So expression in terms of ABC. So what we can do is that what we know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now, since we know this, so we can sin square theta plus cos square theta we can write this as sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus twice sin theta cos theta equal to 1. Can I write like this? No issue. Issue later I'm going to have this in a square plus b square have this a plus b whole square minus twice a b. If you open the bracket and all that, this formula we are using here. Same methods in a so that's it. Now you have to put the value actually. Now all you have to do is put the value sin theta plus cos theta is how much? Minus b by a whole square minus twice sin theta cos theta. That will be 2 c by a equal to 1. So, all you have to do is that you have to take the LCM and all that. Lower on a so b square minus twice ac is equal to how much? A square and a now transfer and all that. Left side, right side, on the transfer we get 0 for in this side and this side. So 0 is equal to how much? A square minus b square plus twice ac equal to 0. So this is the relation. Have the a square minus b square plus twice ac equal to 0. So which one is the correct option? Option number C is the correct option. Is that okay? Okay. I hope this is okay with you. Now you can okay. Nasty puzzle. It happens. Don't worry. Don't lose that. I mean, it happens with the exam. First time in an exam period, I know. But exam is कोई पीर कंsume है रखता हूँ ज्ञान ताई को नोने तो उसने कहना अकोन नोने तो मिस तो उसने कहना याव वो चप्पा national games और state game याव वो चप्पा तो practice तो ताऊ दबा without practice कमाई आते हैं so you need to do the practice अकोन पसंद ताऊ कांदा कोई confidence ला करता हूँ so blindly चप्पा तो नहीं कांदा रो okay so that's also one issue with you now see question जे if you have to attempt by another method atop method ta kama attempt tawo da hat ai arrive method ta ke ko ai aru method tawo adi yam irai lai na khang ba now let's discuss another method how can we solve this by another method also yani ko so answer this is let us see okay let me take another one object to da ko to ke hai so she's on whole look yam line what pe aw method dam lai so root se kai ne ko da sin theta cos theta se roots ne hai so no na sa attempt to zero ai hai ra ke hint so what we have to do sin theta cos theta have so ko hai na bra hai na de na tra hai na de so what you have to do you take the value of theta to 0 ne lo chalo so what are the roots now nangi roots so sin 0 means 0 cos 0 is going to be 1 so adu nangi roots so kai tar 0 ka 1 ka tar all right now quadratic equation of the nangi root to 0 ka 1 ka tar bani na what is your quadratic equation now tell me what is your quadratic equation my quadratic equation is going to be x minus 0 and x minus 1 equal to 0 so simply just multiply with the value that again x square minus x is equal to 0 now compare with this value x square plus bx a kya tar a1 b minus 1 and c equal to 0 now using this value you find the option which satisfy the condition the option number a the put taro b the put taro c the put taro d the put taro the option which satisfy the given relation is the answer so obviously c will satisfy the answer adu maina ko na ko la su ya ko kya ta gi bang sai c the a square minus b square plus twice ac do 0 ta have option number c do now if you put here what is a square kya no a square 1 square is 1 b square is also okay this will be 0 kya tha 1 minus 1 0 is equal to 0 correct right so it's very easy okay let's discuss another question adop question nama buyansi yeah I have given you the method shortcut method right you can discuss that method anyway question is thiraki ke adi question akoina arai so akoina ngasi tawdu se first of all quadratic equation the question laire and then akoina matrix and determinants we will discuss and then trigonometry sugum ba koi ki kanon sin se sum naina se ko adi yam problem matrix kumba kai kumba determinant kum si yam arai ba jaga da kono ko ya bujing hai tare ne ko and then complex number also we are going to discuss the next question I have another one okay matrix ki damal hai ko adu mamu next question I have is so this is next question you have to find the inverse of the matrix here the inverse of a matrix A is given by, note down the question. So this is matrix or matrix A. Now the question is, what is A equal to? So now you matrix A to kya combination is inverse is given. Inverse of pyramid. Aduga you have to find the matrix A. Right? I think it's very easy. See the live question in the Kali. See the if you are having issue on finding this value, nang matrix key put one high was the problem later, then you need to work harder. Nang the here na nang power mother garway ko. Kito ko the garway nang here na like power mother garway. Okay. Now, haro as A gi so pyramid can so what the pyramid is A inverse can have A inverse minus 2 1 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Now the question is, what is A having? So A ki value kaino having. Right. Yes. Anybody? Please give me some suggestion how you want to find the answer. As the answer is kamai find towning. Yes? No? No. Okay. As kamai tara answer find towning am ta. Kamai to find towsi. Yang si I'm going to see the high grade. So let's remember something. A equal to A B C D hoita 2 by 2 matrix. What is A inverse? A inverse is AD minus BC. Right? Then A interchange D A lan and the minus B minus C. So let's apply this formula. See if formula se apply to you will get the answer. Lowest the came out the see questions. So what is A? A inverse I see A give them inverse origin. C give them inverse to what is inverse of this? You have find out the A has a cam not table. A inverse to be inverse have. Alright, so A inverse to A inverse to one AD minus BC, right? Then what we have to do? Then what we have to do? Interchange, right? Minus half, minus 2, and then here 1 game will be minus 1 and minus 3 by 2. That's it. 2 and 2 cancel. Yes, so what is the value now? The value yeah, 2 minus 3, so it will be minus of 1 by 2. And then we have here minus 1 by 2, minus 1, minus 3 by 2, and minus 2. Okay. Right. So if you multiply those 0, you will get the answer. So 1, and this will be 2. If you multiply this, it will be 3, 2 and 2, it will be 4. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. Option number A is the answer. Right. As in it came out there. Okay, next question. Matang question number right. So you are under prepared, okay? Under prepared. We begin even next we will discuss another question. Here is the question. It says for what values of k in the system of equation yes, so here it is question and consistent, right? Consistent karam kandu happen. So what do you mean by consistent? Consistent means it should have a solution. Solution to infinite will be unique will be, but it must have a solution. And pyramid ba koi can also carry on pyramid this right side. Okay, oh, this is in variable kya da x and y. Okay, aduga 3 equation piramba ko, right? Aduga ko the whole one haibagi one consistent ohen ge hairagadi what should be the value of k. As hin pirang gano dum ho choko yang kanista kasu ko da oni ko ke to nga lete, right? I know whole is kai gine one. This is for NDA. See example of 2021. Okay, aduga exam, right? Now, our value, our solution is the pyramid. So, how many variables we have? We have 2 variables, and we have how many equations? 3 equations. Now, consistent, inconsistent, or like we mentioned, finite over then infinite over solution. It depends on what? It depends on our some criteria like determinant and all that. I don't know, first of all, so 2 variable khatanina first of all ani jana solve tawna bonus. So I got a consistent oiba oidaba haibisi kari to decide tawi. Tell me when our solution is going to be consistent, right? Tell me ax equal to b, ax equal to b haibada consistent haibam laigani, inconsistent haibam laina tra consistent and then inconsistent, right? Consistent means solution having consistent again to any move, sorry, unique habama and then infinite habam, right? Now the question is k values kanda consistent again. So consistent what was the condition for consistent? That your determinant a should not be what? 0. Uneasy determinant puto, right? Right? Uneasy ke puto ba? Determinant puto. Adu duga yung first of all determinant to 0 tadana ba? Adu konar. Okay? And then adu gi pangapo poto sidamo hapsalo whether you get it or not. Pangura pangdabra adu dum yang 0. And let me know if you don't understand the concept or if you cannot solve the problem. So the live system of equation gi chapter in IC season the until line malas in the thado mageba. Okay. Next question does apply the consistency the word determinant of a do not 0. Okay. That don't apply to over. Next question. Sine one. Okay, hai 0 AB less than k hai pi by 2. A ka B ka se kya gi kya de oga ba pi by 2 gi marak le go to oga. Then mana hum se what is the value in this B? Okay, 1:2, 2:1, 1:3, and 3:1. Okay, yes, tell me what should be the solution for this one. Actually, solution is kya tato malam tar. Yam lai lo concept ne yang sisu. But the term is sine of a plus b to kya kamane hai ba 1 kamane hai. Now remember sine of sine value na 1 kamana hai ba si karam kanda the. The value of sine is equal. Yes, it's good evening. Yes. Now sine value na 1 kamana hai tadi. What is the angle? Angle to kya kamana hai? Angle should be 90. We know sine 90 se kya kamana hai ba sine pi by 2 hai ko. It's 1. So that means a plus b se kya kamana hai. A plus b should be pi by 2. So let's say this is first equation. And the second equation, the second item is 2 sine of 2i sine of a minus b equal to half. So this implies sine of a minus b to half. Now tell me sine at what value, at what angle it gives half sine 30, that means pi by 6. So from here, you know that this a minus b. So let the angle se kya kamana unta 5 by 6, right? Now you have to solve the equations. There is no line 1 plus 2 tauro equation. 1 plus 2 tauro. So what you get here? So nang pangani twice a is equal to kya? 90 plus 30. 120, right? Kya ba? 120. Sita 19 is 30 is 120. So what is a? So a is going to be 60. Since a is going to be 60, what is b going to be? B is going to be 30, right? So that 60 plus 30 is 90. 60 minus 30 is 30. Now all you have to do is find the value of 10a and 10b. Adugumapani ratio put why bani. Puthopiro lower can kaitar. What is that? 10a ga 10b ga ratio put why bani. So 10a have the 1060. 10a means 1060 divided by 10b means 10 of 30. So what is the ratio now? 1060 have the kya kamane? 1060 is how much? Root 3. And then 1030 is nothing but 1 by root 3. So root 3 to matata karani. So it will be 3 by 1 lakan. So the answer is 3 is to 1. So option number D. Right? So option number D is the answer. Okay. Next question again on the this one. Again on quadratic equation. Let's discuss on that once again. Yaniko. So this is I think this is very much easy. I'm gonna ruby out the run kali. So far so good, right? So far so good. Okay. Let's discuss another one. Quadratic equation here question. Let me write down the question. Okay. Kitang mo na slide kitang twisted it tawid. Question mo di quadratic equation. So here they say so here you have to find all the real roots. All the real roots of the equation x4 minus 10x squared plus 9 equal to 0, right? Now the question is, what is the sum of all the absolute values of the root? Right? So you have to find the sum of absolute value. You have to take the modulus and find the sum of the roots. So here we have 4, 6, 8, and 10. Yes. Some of you might be wondering what type of question we are doing. Again, I am saying this is NDA 2021 question. Right? So we are doing the analysis paper of the question. Okay. So analysis Okay. Now let's discuss this question again. So what should be the solution of this? Yeah. Well, first of all, what is the given equation? X4 10x square minus 9 equal to 0. So see equation say there's a fourth lays. What? Fourth degree. Fourth degree with the can we solve? Right? Solve the wagon. So what we are going to do is that I know a variable. If I put t equal to x square, t to x square and put out x4 has a t square minus x square remote it will be t plus 9 is equal to 0 on high BI. Is that okay? No issue. Now this becomes now it becomes a quadratic equation. Yeah. Take a quadratic equation. Multiplication then 9, addition 10. So what are the roots? Tell me. The roots are going to be, so it will be product 9, addition 10. So find that two value will satisfy the condition. Okay. Is there any value? Yes. What are the values? 9 and 1. 9 into 1 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So okay, the function here t minus 9, t minus 1 is equal to 0. So what are the roots? Roots of 9 number or t equal to 1. Now remember what is the value of t. T I see kind of inside. T is nothing but x squared. So x squared to 9 gamma or x squared to 1 gamma. Okay, let's solve it further. According to the value mari thora because we are having a fourth degrees fourth degree equation. Now x squared equal to 9 having the x to it will be plus minus 3, and x is going to be x squared equal to 1 is x equal to plus minus 1. So we lay the value so that means the value of x is minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 and 1. According to the sum of all the absolute values. So what is the required answer? Sum this is absolute values sum this will be 3 plus 3 is 6, 7 and 8. So the answer is 8. So option correct answer is 8. All right, no issue with that. Okay, let's discuss another question. Yes, this time we are going to discuss about the trigonometry part. Okay. Yes, so here the next question says, so what I'm going to do here is what I'm doing here is that question topic wise trigonometry trigonometry, right? And then complex number we are going to discuss. Trigonometry, complex number, and then and then quadratic equation, right? Portion matrix, determinants, right? This thing, okay? One video it will be too long, right? The long video is right? But the thing is that I observe TikTok or funny video mayam natra funny right? Mayam natra okay. Yes. Now here we have a again question for all x y belongs to R. Now the question is, what is 10 of x by 2 plus y by 2 equal to, right? 1, 2 root 2, 2 root 2, right? So this is the question. So I'm sin x plus sin y cos x plus cos y for all x y belong to R. Every x y is any real number or 10 of x by 2 plus y by 2 value. So first of all, you must be wondering see question but it's a very easy question. So nothing to do. Trigonometry, all we have to do is put the values. Put over here the trigonometry, nothing. Right. Now, find the value of x and y. X and y की value value find find the value of x and y, which will satisfy this condition. See, condition is satisfied the x and y value. Find over here. Okay. Network issue so let me switch on to another network. Okay. Yes. Network issue I don't think that. Okay. Yes. Network issue yes. Why someone is laughing right now? I don't understand. All right. Connection successful. Now it will be okay. I think so. Yes, now it's okay. Now let's move on to the question. Now do the क्या तारण sin x plus sin y का cos x plus cos y का मानेगा. So why don't you put x equal to 30 and y equal to 60? You can do that. So if you put value of x as 30, y as 60, so left hand side and right hand side must be is equal. You know, sin 30. What is left side? Left side sin 30 plus sin 60. Okay, sin 30 plus sin 60. So what is the value? 1 by 2 over 3 by 2. What is the right side? Cos 30 plus cos 60. So what is the value of cos 30? The value of cos 30 is over 3 by 2. So these are equal. No issue with that now. Right hand side and left hand side are equal. Right hand side and the left hand side are now equal, right? Right hand side ka left hand side ka mana so you have to take the value lower. That's it. So now what is the value of 10 of x by 2 plus y by 2. So this will be 10 of 30 plus 60 is 90. So all they are asking is the value of 1045. 10 values for 1045 is 1. So that's the answer. Good. Okay. Yes. So that's it. Okay. Let's move to the next question now. Yeah. The next question they have given is for the complex number. Right. So the pyramid. What is the value of okay. Let me write down the next question. Next question that I say what they have given is if r is equal to under root of minus 1, then how many values does I raised to the power 2n have for different n belongs to z. So here they say 1, they say 2, they say 4, and they say infinite, right? So what they are asking is x y की value से angle से अतोपा लौरसु याबत नत्रो. Yes, you can do that, but it should satisfy the condition. अखोई pyramid sin x plus sin y cos x plus cos y असी मानवदी होइगदब. Here 30 का 60 का लौ कांद left hand side का right hand side का बानेदना here aduna adu मानवदु होइगदब. मानव नत लौद्रगति मुकानारो. Okay, manalo adi this condition has to be satisfied. Asi some manner the okay. Trigonometry part se am live ne dum noi to sing had trigonometry se miss them, but I don't know. No trigonometry se am lu yin no khane. Let's see. Oh, this is complex number. Complex ki nahi. So hang is I to the power minus 2n ki value kya lageta ki hai I to the power minus 2n hai. See kai ka mane. This is nothing 1 I to the power 2n heaven, right? I to the power 2n heaven, you know, I square n heaven. What is the value of I square? I square is minus 1 the money. So what do you like this? Minus 1 to the power n. So minus 1 to the power n zina value is kya? My value kya legen? Value any legen. Minus 1 taba 1 taba. Stay here and later. Natra n is okay. Hai my here they say it's integer. Integer hoy bani na ko. So now any value का जानो minus 1 to the power n the value any कहते हैं like this minus 1 का 1 का. Accordingly you will have only two values 1 or minus 1. So what should be the answer? The answer to 2 ताने. So I to the power 2n ना value क्या लेगा तो क्या है बनी? So it will have only two values. यार देखो. So ऐसी ताकत होगा. Yes. Next. Atau question. Okay. Next one is for the determinant. Okay, matrix ki amasu amadi lairi. See the line man lena in lock tabani dubu wala sira. See the am like the live ko. Yar se determinant hanu hosi. Ara kita kemo to hanu hosi. Luba man question su. Matrix determinant si maroina. Ako na kemo to ba ita. What sira siya. So something is given, x is given, y is given, z is given. Now is the question then, what is the value of the following? Because the PUC value kya tha? The value is 1 x minus x 1 1 minus y 1 z 1. Yes, so we have to find this value. What are the values? 0 1 ABC, and we have AB plus BC plus C. Again, I have to remind you, we are solving NDA 2021 question. Okay. Yes, anybody solve the problem? No? Okay, so how we are going to solve the problem? Secret problem, if we go by the general method, then it will take, it will take a longer time. So competition exam, all we have to do is shortcut. Now, still is the x side which cannot depend on ABC, y also dependent on the ABC, z also dependent on ABC. So why don't you take the value? So take the value of a. A value is 0 in lowers. So that means what is the if I take the value of a is 0, x will become 0. How about y? Y will become b by c, and z will become c by minus b. Is that okay? No issue with that? Yeah. So from here, what do you know? X in the value of put the a0 put the x0, y and then z. Now what we can do? Again, we can put the value. Amaga put those. And what do you want to put here? B or C ki marakta arrive among the value ama put those. What value you can take for B? B ki value kya lo? B ki value say, let's take it as 1. B ki value 1 and C ki value say minus 1 lo. So from x0 ka y kya tha? Y will be minus 1. What is the value of z? Z kya tha? B kya low 1 low, C kya low minus 1. So minus cancel. So z is going to be 1. C lower. So x0, y minus 1, z1. Now C ki determinant ki value put 1 x0 0 1 1 minus to 1 1 z1 and 1. So find the value of this determinant. See the kya this will be 0. Determinant value is 0. Why? These things are equal. Now option of 0 right? Yeah, that's it. Option the 0 tabam stem the 1 how about ABC? ABC also can be 0. Yes or no? Yes, C is 0 tabe because we have taken A as 0. Right, and how about the last part? AB plus BC plus CA. It will be 0. This will be 0. This will be 0, right? A will be 0 later. BC is not 0. Right? So option C option C A ga C ga gi marakta lai. Right? So these are not going to be your option. Right? B ga D ga di answer. So answer is going to be either A or C. A ga C ga markale. So no problem to is the problem is that when we put one value as 0. When a 0 put our 0 0 having a decide to be other one. Now what I'm saying is that the value of A do 0 tahanda bida, you can put another value of A. A value C suppose atop value put the option any later we cannot decide which one is the answer. So A value to 1 and put right. B na kya tausiga B what should be B should be how much B atop pam to put na yari 0 di no B na 1 tawre and then 2 tawera C na 3 put tawera something like that. A to kya tawro 1 B 2 C na 3 put tawro and then put in the here. See it's the put out salo aduga fangpa value duga comparison taro and you will get the answer, right? Of the option A ga C ga makta tani adu di nasa na decide tawro. This one I'm hoping that you will do that. See what you know it na get no nasa na so I hint to the pyramid you want go. Yani na see what padika should nothing. So what we have to do A1 B2 and C3 daw salo value put our xyz thangani adu fang value the put our and then option number A ga C mo ta karam bachana gi have do yemo and that will be your answer. Next one. This question is also very easy. Consider the following. In respect of the matrix, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1. Right now, the first one is says inverse of A does not exist. Second, A cube is equal to A. Third, 3A is equal to A square. Now the question is which of the above is correct. So we have to find the correct answer, right? Option number A, 1 and 2 only. Option number B, 2 and 3 only. Option number C, 1 and 3 only. And option number B, 1, 2 and 3. So once again I'm reminding you we are solving NDA 2021 question paper. Okay, right. 2 or 3 level, yes, you can take any value, right? Value low shallow ataba do adu nang adum kan torne phangane ko. Okay, so akoi ko hoji question is mung nai see this one. So that's A ma pyramid. A is maramda we are given 3 information ahum pyramid asi karamba chumge na hangbadi and we have to find the correct answer. 1 chumgana 1 ka habiro 1 2 chumgana 1 2 and if all of them are true then you have to take the option number D 1 2 3 when namak chummi na hagdo. Yes, atudi hoje kari tagadagi. Then what is the given matrix? The pyramid matrix is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. First try inverse of A does not exist. True or false? Inverse exists. Who will determine? Matrix, any matrix inverse exists. It is determined by kanana determinant in a hierarchy already. That's why the name determinant comes up, right? So if you find the determinant here, if you find the determinant of A, what will be the determinant of A? It will be 0. All right. Why is it 0? Because see here, R1, all the elements of R1 and R2 are equal. And we read one property that if 2 rows are equal, elements of two rows are equal or elements of two columns are equal. Hadi row ani ki natra column ani element to manatara kadi determinant is 0. Since the determinant is 0, how about the A inverse? A inverse does not exist. So this is true. Determinant 0 A inverse to exist. So yes, this one is okay, right? So first option is okay. How about the second option? A cube equal to A. This you can find it out for yourself. So option number 1 is true. Option number 2 is na A cube to A gamma. So how to find A cube? First find A square. Right? First find A square. Right? So what will be the value? 3, 3, 3. Right? If you do like this, again we will have 3, 3, 3. So all of them we are getting 3. So A square is how much? Just 3. So we can take the 3 common here, and what is left here? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this will become how much? 3A. So A square is equal to 3A. So from this information, we can confirm the third one. A square is equal to 3 is okay. So 1 and 3 are true. How about the equation number 2? That we have to find. Now you find A cube. What is A cube? A cube is nothing but A square into A. And what is A square? A square we have 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And what is A? A is going to be 1, 1, 1, 1. Just multiply and you'll get the answer. So what will be the answer? 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So yes, right? So the value is going to be 9, and this will be 9 times of A. Does it equal to A? No. So option number 2, it says what the option number what is the statement number 2 says? It says that A cube is equal to A. So this is wrong. So which one is true? Only 1 and 3 is true. So option number C is correct, right? Option number C is okay. Anyway, let me one more question from this one. One more question from our complex number. Let's focus on this. What is this? The question says, yes, 0, then what is the value of so this was the question. So -1, 0, 1 and D3. Okay, so this was the question. Now this is also one of the most famous equation, right? One of the most famous equation. We see the equation x square plus x plus 1. See, I'm lying. See, yamna preparation that is okay. Tango preparation term tar this equation is quite a live equation. Stella lagadi isu kangre, right? Ado si sukang hangdi hero kati then nangi preparation to yam thina wali. Ado mai. This is the famous equation x square plus x plus 1. And sige root to kaya or did have a sige root ani lagan. Sige kay omega havanga omega square. So omega and omega square are going to be the roots of this equation. Yarab. Now this is the equation. Now what is the value of this thing? Right? The x की value क्या लगेगा? any लगेगा x omega का मान लगा or करी x equal to omega square. Now if x is equal to omega, that x 199, x 200, x 201. क्या ताने होती है? If you take the common here, so what is left? This is 1 plus x square. So if I take x equal to omega, so that omega 1 plus omega square. So what is this value? This value is 0. So this is 0, right? So the value is going to be 0. But again, we have to discuss one more condition. If x equal to omega square, right? What will happen if x equal to omega square? Then x199, x200 plus x201. So take the common factor here also. So what is the value? If we put the value here, x square 199, 1 plus, instead of x put omega square, so omega square plus omega 4. So forget about this, the power 199. Okay, what is omega to the power 4? Omega to the power 4 is nothing but omega. Everybody must be knowing this, right? So again, this value is 0, so the answer is 0. So in any case, if x is omega, or x is equal to omega squared, the value is going to be 0. So the answer is 0. That's all. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay, let's discuss one more question on this one. Quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? Let's focus on that. Here we have another question. Okay, so let's discuss this question. Last question, okay? Okay. So the quadratic equation. What equation? 3x square minus 3 square plus x equal to 0. Has real roots of equal magnitude and opposite sign. So mark this word, equal magnitude but opposite sign. So which one of the following is correct? Which one of the following is correct? So we have to find which one of the following is correct. Okay, so we have again no such value of k. Okay, we have again 4 options and only one option is correct. Option and we have to find that correct option. Yes. So what we have to keep that in mind is that similar equations have equal magnitude and opposite sign. Equal magnitude and opposite sign have just imagine any root. Equal magnitude. It can be 1 or minus 1. Right? Root any though. Asina draw equal magnitude and opposite sign have the magnitude is manaba but sign opposite or you can take 2 or minus 2 or minus 2 also. That's one thing. Now asida akona khangmidi if they are of equal magnitude and opposite sign, one is sum. So what is the sum here? If you find the sum here, sum is 0. Here also, in this case also, the sum is 0, right? Other equations the root ki sum the sum is going to be 0. So that is the first condition we know. Is that okay? Yeah. What is the sum? Say sum puto. What is the sum? Tell me. The sum of the roots is going to be how much? K square 5k divided by 3, and that's going to be 0. Why? So equal magnitude or opposite sign sum 0. So So this implies what is the value? K square plus 5k is equal to 0. So k common load. So what is the value of k? K can be 0 or k can be minus 5, right? So this is one concept we have. All right. Yaniko, assinable ladies. Any issue? If you put the so ako nila condition sa kay na ba? Ako nila condition sini equal magnitude and opposite sign na tarakadi so later 0 tala k0 later k minus 5 k0 oiragadi adum lay din natra equal magnitude and all that. Yes or no? Yeah, basala yadabza. Suppose if you take k equal to 0, if k equal to 0, so pyramid ani k0 oitardi. This equation again reduces to how much? 3x squared. 0 set करनी, 0 set करनी. That means x to क्या आता है? 0 and 0 आता है. Is that possible? So the high क्या है? Real roots of equivalent magnitude should have any, बस यदि चमाना बा 0 0 फंगे अदुना याद है. So the value of k equal to 0 से कोई ना कोई law होगा. So what is the value of k? The value of k is going to be minus 5. Other than minus 5, I will see again. आपको क्या होता है? Option mayam lady. So put tauba tai. So put tauba matamda. Does it satisfy any of the three? KC minus 5 tata regadi C ogidra. Minus 5 is greater than 0. So this option is not correct. This is also not correct. How about this 3 by 5? This is lale. So the correct option is no such value of k exists. I don't know k value. Exist over. Is that okay? Yeah, some na ko sa mana khallag holo ba equal and magnitude and opposite sign hota hai kadi awani ki sum do kai hotai 0 hotai 0 ho gaya ta di you have to apply b by a formula, right? Adu pale adu na se taris. Okay, this is how you have to solve. Adu na value on the satisfy 0 ho basu yaad de adi k 0 hota di equation no pulak root amma katani phagdo 0 katani phagdo. In that case, we don't have equal magnitude and opposite sign. Aduna option should be D. Okay, so everybody, all of you must be very tiring from the exam. Okay, so let's wind up for here today, and I wish you all the best. Once again, I wish you all the best for the exam. Video this is only the part 1, part 2, part 3 and all that. We will discuss later on. Okay. Good night, everybody.